Hey, what do you think? Let's go for a picnic this Sunday.
Oh, that sounds nice. The weather is good these days.
Yes, sunny but not too hot. Where should we go?
What about the lake park? It's quiet and clean.
Lake Park is good, but it gets crowded on Sundays.
True. Then maybe the Hill Garden? It's peaceful and has a nice view.
Oh yes, the kids love that place. We can take their bicycles too.
Great idea. I'll pack some sandwiches and fruits.
I'll bring the picnic mat and games.
What time should we leave?
Let's start early, maybe 8 a.m.
Perfect. We can have breakfast there.
Deal. I'll check the car and fuel on Saturday.
And I'll prepare everything on Saturday night.
Sunday picnic, here we come.
Yes. The kids will be so happy.
Kids, come here. We have some good news.
What is it, Dad?
Tell us. Tell us.
We are going for a picnic this Sunday.
Really? Yay! Where are we going?
To the Hill Garden. You both love that place, right?
Yes. It's my favorite. I want to play on the grass.
And I want to ride my bicycle there.
Of course, you can. We'll take your bikes with us.
Wow! Can I bring my football too?
Sure, we'll play together.
I want to take my drawing book. I'll draw the hills.
That's a lovely idea, sweetheart.
I can't wait for Sunday.
Me too. It's going to be so much fun.
All right, now finish your homework first.
Yes, then we can enjoy the picnic with no worries.
Okay, Mom and Dad.